We are here in Pewaukee, Wisconsin, just north of Waukesha, a little bit west of Milwaukee, east of Madison. And we're installing a new pondless waterfall, replacing an existing, but we're not removing the entire existing one. Hey everybody, Damian Drager with 4D Exteriorscapes. I'm going to turn this around, which we have to announce when we do that. And I'm going to show you this piece here, which was put in about 20 years ago or so, I guess, from a company located in the center of the state of Wisconsin. And it served its purpose. Water would come up through that upper part, through that middle part there, cascade down, hit this pool, come over this section here, waterfall down there, hit this little concrete stream that went down to the basin. You can kind of see right there where the sod is. But over the years, it started to have some issues. Hey everybody, Damian Drager, 4D Exteriorscapes. We are here in Pewaukee, Wisconsin on day 2 of our Pondless Waterfall project, where we've had not a lot of physical progress, I'll say, but we've had a lot of progress or events happen. So we had our skid loader, Toro TX 2000 I think it is, and we've also got our mini excavator dropped off out front right now. But the bigger news is that the board of the HOA has approved us to cut through this outlot that is a natural area, which will save us a ton of time because we don't have to do the lawn repair. So here, created a path. You can see the video here. We're going to be bringing our machinery through on this. It's nice and stable. We are going to do a little bit of trimming real quick just to make this a little bit easier. And so, especially like the buckthorn, I really do not need to get smacked in the face with that, but nothing that will be noticeable by the end of the season even. And we are at the middle of August right now. But so we've got this path we can come through here, which will make life a little bit easier. So goal for today is we will be excavating the basin, hopefully underlay line and get our blocks in there and get everything in our pump vault and get everything going from there. So please follow on. So we've been doing this for a while, 20-something years, and every now and then we get a chance to learn something new, whether it's our choice or somebody else's. So this afternoon, the city of Pewaukee came out to visit because some anonymous person complained about landscaping, and come to find out that Pewaukee suddenly has a landscaping permit. But it kind of sucks when you've got a neighbor or somebody that calls and complains randomly for stuff just because they don't want other people to have nice things and parents didn't play with them enough as a child or what. But so the city did come out and talk to us. We're going to get the paperwork filed and everything. It's not a big deal. It's just a minor inconvenience for about half an hour. But we're still going to continue with the project, get it done. And in spite of those people that want to be miserable and want to try to make other people miserable, we're going to be happy and we're going to make our customers happy. You can hear that behind me. That is actually a machine running, and guess what? I'm not in it. We have a mystery guest. We'll just phrase it that way. So we're fortunate we were able to bring in some skilled help to help us out, get the shaping going on, do some of the building, because I've done this in the past where we built things by myself, which is fine. I prefer having employees, so we will be looking come spring. But with how late we are in the season and the schedule we have right now, it really didn't seem like it was worth it to bring on full-time employment at this time. So we're bringing in what I'm going to refer to as, like I said, as the mystery guest. Okay, he is skilled digging our trench here for our piping, piling up over there. We're going to haul this stuff out tomorrow. You can see. We'll see if we can get a glimpse. Oh, darn it, he's all blurred out because his mystery persona will not be known. However, so far this morning, and unfortunately we had a camera issue, we've built in the waterfalls. As you can see, it's looking glorious. We'll get a shot in here later, but basin's in, that first waterfall set, framing rock on each side, and then wanted to get this piping in before we get too far and cut off our access, get the piping in so we can then build everything going up across there.